Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. So today I'm gonna talk about masking and selection in Zbrush. And for the guys that don't know it, masking is basically when you paint on your model with a dark gray color, and then you can extract or manipulate the area that you painted on. And I'm gonna show you how. So this is a model that I'm currently working on, and I need to make some ears for her. So, and how I'm gonna do that? I'm of course gonna click my model, and then I have here. If you press Control, then you see this. It says masking now, and up here it also changes, so you can always check here. So now I'm gonna paint like this. Okay, let's say that's what I want. And then we have to invert it, so we only manipulate this area here. So you Control and then just click the canvas. Click just once. And then we want to pull it out. Maybe you can use the move brush to pull it out, of course with a bigger brush like this. Or you can use the move, and it says W as a shortcut. And here you can see, if you just pull like this, it will actually go here. But sometimes if you turn symmetry off, then it will be like this. And then when you start pulling, it's gonna go out like this. So the way to fix it is that you put your symmetry back on, and then you open this here by clicking it, or by pressing Alt, and then it opens. So we want to click this, and then it jumps to the masking now, and now we can pull it out like this. Okay, so so let's say we're satisfied with this. Another way you can use masking if like this, I made the eyebrows this way to extract. And so if I wanted to make some hair, I already did it like this really quick. But the way I did it was to kind of paint here with my mask. So like this. And then you just paint it like wherever you want. Then if you turn Shift F on, you can see here I already did this. So okay, just wait a minute, I'm just gonna, so when you look at your mesh, it's probably like this, and then you paint again, sorry, just really quick, where your hair is going to be, and then you turn on the wireframe, Shift F, and then you say Control W to make the masked area to a new polygroup. And the smart thing with this is you can now Control Shift click on this, and then you only have this area. So Control Shift drag a square on the canvas and let go, then you only have this, so you invert the selection. And now I'll go down here to Polygroups, and then I say Group by Normals, because then it turns into 2 polygroups. And now we can say Control Shift click on this here, Control Shift drag a square to invert, and Control W to make it 1 polygroup. Because now we can just say Control like this. Now we have masked everything here. Control, I'm saying this too much. Control Shift click on your canvas to get everything back. Shift F to go out of wireframe mode. And now you have this area here. So we want to extract from this. Or here you can turn down the smooth, and this is how thick it should be when it extracts. So here this is quite thin, and if you just rotate, it will disappear. You have to press accept to accept the extrusion. So we want to bump it a bit up, extract, accept, and then it's masked. So you want to Control and drag a square to clean the masking here. This already got to kind of a hair tutorial, I'm really sorry. And now it's a separate subtool you can see out here. this is the head, and if we go in solo mode, you can see it's still masked. So Control Shift and Control drag a square, and then let go to clear the mask. So that's how powerful the masking tool is. And now you obviously want to maybe sculpt something on it. Now she wears a hoodie, hood, head, something, head. Okay. When you press Control, you can see here it says mask pin. If you click here, you have other masking solutions. So you might want to do the lasso. I really like this one. I will just turn Symmetry off so you can see what's going on. Control, and then you can make some really funky shapes with this one. And then, to soften the mask here, you press Control, and then you just click here. You see this is getting softened. And to harden it, it's Control Alt, and then you just click it to harden it really much. Yeah, like this. And this is useful in some situations. You can try to play around with it as you want. Okay. And what else do we have? Sorry. This mask curve. A lot of people use this one as well. And so when you click and drag, Control and drag, you can see where the gradient is where it's gonna mask. So if I let go, it's just gonna do like this. And if you want to curve it, you can press Alt, and then it kind of bends so you can control it. And I think if you double click it, you can get a really sharp edge. Yes. And last but not least, I'm just gonna show this. If you drag a square here and you want to move it somewhere, you can press space and then drag it here to your figure. Okay, so Control, drag, and it's with left click, of course, and then let go, like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna check if I did everything. We had you know that when you don't even get your own notes, that's not good. Yeah. Okay, I think this video probably covered everything. We talked about the masking, where you just control and then, oh yeah, and if you want to go back, you just always have to, there's this mask curve pin, but it's not the same. It has the same icon here, mask pin. And then you can go like this and draw stuff. Invert, and then you can manipulate the area. And you could extract here, extract, accept, to make funny shapes like the eyebrow, so you have separated geometry, and this is where it's still in the geometry. And if you mask and you Control W, you get the new polygroups. So I think that was it for this video, guys. It was really quick, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you liked the video, please hit like button, of course, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.